I think for me, I really have to do something to kind of understand how it works. Welcome and welcome back. I'm BK, this is Gigi, and in this episode of My Cartoon Life, we continue to work on Didi, our 2007 Toyota Yaris. Our goal is to get it ready for a Las Vegas car show. Okay, so I didn't account for the wheels. I didn't think about that. I don't know why, but yeah. Um, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know why we did this. It, like, I think we can sand it and stuff now. I don't think we're gonna paint it until after, maybe I'll see what it looks like. I don't know. Because there's like this grit stuff here. It's not really that important though. It doesn't look too bad overall, actually. Like, we have some drip here. If we put the actual coat of paint on it, but I don't know. Maybe. So from here, I gotta show you the game. We made a game. It's a light strip game. I think we're gonna put the button here. So I actually did have a lot of fun doing this, but obviously I want to do this again, but we're gonna have a better plan. So for now, we're just gonna take off all of the stickers, or we're just gonna take off all of the masking. It really did a number to my wheels though. They got messed up. Not all of them, but some did. With all the main masking off, now I'm gonna start taking the subscribers' names masking off. Okay, sick. Now that we have all the subscribers unmasked, let's set up the game. Here's what I'm thinking. Buttons goes right here. And then the LED strip can run along here. So yeah, maybe something like this. And I can't decide if we want... So if this is actually kind of hidden, like we prop the hood just a little bit, and then we tuck the LEDs like in there, it might be better because there's a darkness there, so it'll create a glow. This is the move. We're gonna fit as many LEDs as we can inside the channel from here to here, and then I'm gonna cut the LEDs there, and then we'll mount them, and then we'll run the wires. Maybe I'll mount the Arduino like here, and then I can run the wires like up and through. I don't know. And then I can't find my drill, but we need to add the button. We got the tripod back. Hella excited. So right now what I'm working on is we're going to just get these mounting points for the LED strip. Okay, so now this is fastened there. We're gonna cut this. Okay, we cut this. I think this looks pretty good. We're going to... I was gonna take this off and try to tuck it in, but I think it'll be easier just to make a slit here. So like right here, where this dot is, I guess. All right, I'm kind of happy with how this is sitting now. Once we stitch this up here, there'll be a gap a bit, but it's fine. It'll look a lot better, especially when this is tucked in. And then if we could get this point to mount, then it'll look way better. But I think to do that, we would have to... I don't know. Anyways, the drill's dead, so we're gonna let it charge, and while we let it charge, we're gonna go to work for a little while. So yeah, because we also need to pick up some whatever zip ties. Before that though, let's add our Polu sticker. How's that? Well, we've got one compliment so far. I'm pretty sure it was sarcastic, but it doesn't matter. Every time I drive this car, I'm just like, I love it. I love how it feels. Feeling this car again, I'm gonna take a look at the matrix again, but I actually think the control arm bushings might be blown up. That's probably what they're feeling. Because we kind of did the control arms and the front shocks at the same time, so we didn't, but there was a couple days where we had just the control arms and not the shocks, and yeah, the going over bumps kind of crank sound, and like, I think that's huge in the control arms. But that's not even what I wanted to talk about. My friend group who yes-anded me into the car show, which is tomorrow, is like, we're all gonna vote for DD. It's 8 o'clock, so we're gonna head home, and that should have been plenty of time for the drill to charge. Okay, so we just finished drilling the button, and as you can see, it's not a great job. I had only a 1/2 inch, and we had to go 1 inch, so it was pretty rough. But okay, so anyways, excuses aside, there's a hole here, and I don't like that. So I'm gonna take some electrical tape and wrap it kind of around the hole, and then we'll put that in, and then maybe like do a gold thing around it, and then that should be fine. After that, we need to pop the hood, and I'll show you that in a second. With that hole prepped, now we're going to focus on, here we have this cable. We're just gonna kind of like, I guess, drill a hole here, and then this will let me slip it in. Great, now we've drilled this out. I think that should be good enough. Let's see. Yeah, all right, cool. And then now we can straighten this one out a bit more. Okay, cool. So now this is where the wires will end up, and we're gonna route here's the button, right? So I think up through here, we should be able to pass the wires, and then maybe we can tuck the Arduino right here. All right, let's get working on wiring jumpers and stuff and see what we can do for that. Nervous, but I'm excited. I think this is awesome. Oh yeah, we gotta do that. I didn't get zip ties. Okay, well, because I've been moving and stuff, it's been hard to find things, but I feel like we have what we need to do this. So this is the button, and we kind of need like this much. I think this is like just enough length. So we'll solder these together, and then we'll have these inputs here, and then this is for the lighting. And I think with these 4 here is just long enough to get us to where we need to be. So the problem though is I don't have any female to males, so, or females, and we need female so we can go male, but I don't have that. So we're gonna have to solder these together. So the soldering station. Well, they came out. They're functional, so we're good there. I'm gonna wrap them, and then we'll test the continuity. I wanted to test that our wires were gonna all reach, and yeah, I think it will. We'll have to like store it here or something, but that's fine. I think this is gonna be pretty cool. We'll have to set up the button now. I don't know where the headlamp went, and Yeah, but this is apparently, this is like a momentous moment for us or whatever, but I don't have anything ready. Here we go, we start the game. And what, it's broken? Oh, I think what's wrong is it doesn't have 30 there's not 30 here. So the target is off the grid. We'll have to reprogram this. Okay. There we go. This actually has the target showing this time. Ah, we failed. Thanks for hanging out with me. The car's getting pretty close. Tomorrow's the show, so stay tuned for that. If anyone's interested, I can make a tutorial on how to make the game and release my code. We appreciate you, and I'll see you again.